On this tutorial, we will learn how to make the Smart Inventor board into uploading mode. So first, you should make sure that your 4-pin connectors are connected to the Bluetooth board. Then the Bluetooth board should then connect to the computer by the USB board. While doing this, do not turn the switch on the Smart Inventor board. The electricity will run too high and it could fry your remote controller. Then make sure that the DIP switch 1 is on and 2 and 3 are off on the Smart Inventor board. Hit the reset button, should be around here, and blue LED light here should start blinking. Make sure that it's blinking, otherwise it won't be in upload mode. And if it is successfully blinking, it should be in upload mode. Congratulations.